Did you know that you can extract the audio part of a video that you've recorded with your iPhone? To do this, you'll need to go to Flixier.com and click on Get Started. Next, you need to select the phone option and then scan the generated QR code with your phone. After that, you need to select the video or videos that you want to extract the audio file from. In just a few moments, the video will be uploaded to Flixier. Next, you'll need to select the uploaded video and then drag and drop it onto the timeline. After completing this step, you can right-click on your video on the timeline and choose Extract Audio. You can even enhance the quality of your audio using the Enhance Audio option found in the right-hand menu. Finally, click on Export. Select audio instead of video, and in just a few moments, Flixier will export the file as an MP3. Check out a more in-depth tutorial on our YouTube channel.